the 7 Series interior out. I'm gonna work on the door cards. Colin is working on getting the headliner out, and then I don't know what else. I was looking at what parts we needed to get that running, and then I think we're leaving the carpet in, correct?
Yeah.
We're gonna leave the carpet in, but these door cards are out. Front door cards need to come out, and then I might try and figure out why this door went open still, or that door. Figure out why that door went open. So there's a better way we could have done this.
Shut up.
I got this door card off, and then for the door handles, I was gonna try and take just the actual handle off. Is she in there? I'm gonna take the actual handle off and try and put it on, but we'll just make like a zip tie handle. So we got one left. Let's go. So this is how to remove one. Colin took my flathead. So you pull these pieces of trim off. There's just 2.
No.
Ah! It's not easy to do with this.
I named Hamburger Ford Festiva.
Why?
I don't know. Ford Festiva.
Okay. So then there's a like an 8mm.
Please stop. Shut up.
Oh no.
No.
Okay, and then yeah, there's 2 bolts in here that you have to take out. He's using a flathead to remove Torx bolts. That's ingenuity. That's clearly upper level. Leave me alone. Oh no.
If my hand wasn't there, she would have bit my balls.
You're so bad. Oh my god. Okay, so once you remove these bolts, you get a flathead and you put it under here, and or you can use an actual tool. I broke the screwdriver. The screwdriver broke. Well, let's get another one. Let's hope I have one. Oh no. What are you doing?
No.
Ah, she got the fuzz from the seat.
Fuck.
Yo. What is happening? So once you find a screwdriver that won't break, you continue. Put it under the door and pull up or pull out until, oh, it's not out all the way. It's still on somewhere. This one got another bolt. Okay. And then it should be somewhat loose. Once Colin goes and cuts himself and has to get a Band-Aid, you continue and you pull it off. So that's how you remove an E32 door card. And probably the not correct way. But it worked. So now I'm gonna continue on removing the headliner incorrectly.